Hey guys, I'm Lucy Walker and today I want to show you my brand new and ultimate favourite now butane torch. It's called the Inferno from Durston Tools. Actually, I'm just shitting you there. It's not called the Inferno at all, it's called the standard torch. But it really is an inferno. And what I want to do right now is just show you how fast this bad boy will solder a 16 gauge, 6mm wide sterling silver ring bands. Alright, enough waffle. Let's play with some fire. So here I have said ring on a hard charcoal block and it's closed up perfectly. There are 0 gaps in there and the alignment is bang on. Actually, that's a lie. It's a tiny little bit wonky, but I swear I couldn't see that with my naked eye. So I'm still going to take it. And for this, we're going to be using hard solder. And personally, I like to use wire solder that I'll usually pass through my rolling mill to make it as flat and thin as possible. So, as I said, we're going to be soldering today with the Durston Inferno. Sorry, standard torch. And it's slightly larger than your average butane torch, but thankfully quite a bit more powerful. And I've popped a link below the video in case you want to check it out for yourself. Our first job, as always, add a little flux to the join. And I'm using Lucas Milliput Handy Flux. And again, I've popped a link below the video for you. So, adding a little flux to my perfectly clean join here. And then I'm going to place the join directly on my solder pallium. And here you absolutely want to make sure that the solder is touching both sides of the join. Seriously, so much less drama this way. So let's get the torch lit. And hopefully you can see that this is a pretty decent size flame for a butane torch. But as you know, it's not the size of the tool, but what it can do that counts. So let's do it. And I'm going to start by heating the back of the ring bands and heating that gently before going all the way around the ring bands. Once my flux has gone clear, I'm going to move just to heat in the half of the ring band closest to the join. And boom. But hey, you know what? I'm so thrilled with that. I'm going to show you again from another angle. So here we go. Round and round and round, get it nice and toasty. Then we're going to move on just to the area around the join there, not heating the solder directly. That is super important. And then, boom again. I don't know about you, but I reckon the only people that say bigger isn't better are the ones with small torches. And there we go, my new favourite butane torch. Thank you very much, Durston Tools. Now, if you would like to be in with the chance to win one of 3 of these bad boys that we have to give away, all you have to do, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below, I'm a fire starter, give me that torch. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it from me today, but do remember, if you want to learn more about soldering, check out our website at lucywalkerjewellery.com. We will be opening enrollment for our Metalsmith Academy very soon. Alrighty, catch you next time.